Skillbyte here. This video is going to be a quick review of the Fiskars Hedges and Shrubs trimmers. So if you're familiar with this cutting this thin stringy stuff, you know it can be kind of a challenge for some of these. Well, there you go. It cuts it that easy. Oh, and in case you want to cut it, don't think it'll cut this. Look at that. All right, it'll cut that no problem. It cut that maybe a minute. All right, what about actual branches? So you need to prune one of these things. Well, look at that. These things are at least 3 years old. I've never sharpened them. And they cut incredible. Really is that good. Now, one thing I want to show you right here, this allows you to loosen or even take apart and tighten the blades. You got a really good stop there so you don't slam your fingers together. You ever done that? And I mean, they've been solid. So I definitely recommend these things. The link is in the description. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision. It's going to take me longer to pick up all these cuttings than it did to trim the things.